Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today topic is how to fix ready or not Optimum not working. Are you experiencing issue with the Optimum in ready or not? The Optimum is a crucial tool for squad members, allowing them to see what's happening on the other side of a closed door. To fix that issue, we can follow some instruction on the screen. First solution is verify ready or not game files integrity. The OptiVent not working in ready or not could be due to corrupt or missing game files. Verifying the integrity of game files can replace any corrupted files with fresh one, potentially fixing the issue with the OptiVent. To do this, open Steam and navigate to your library. And after that, right click on Ready or Not and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tabs and after that click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete and try using the Optimum again. Second solution is verify DirectX mode. The game might be running on an incompatible DirectX mode, which can cause issue with the game feature like the Optimum. Verifying and switching DirectX mode could resolve this issue. To do this, access the game setting from the main menu and after that go to the graphics or video settings. Find the select the DirectX mode option. Select between available DirectX mode, example DirectX 11 or DirectX 12. Apply the change and reboot the game. Change if to check if the Optivent work properly or not. And third solution is adjust the Optivent FPS setting. The game may have a specific setting for the Optivent FPS frames per second, which, if set incorrectly, could lead to performance issue. Adjusting this setting might help in fixing any problem when using the Optivent. In the game setting called graphics, locate the Optivent option in special or advanced. Lower the optimum FPS setting. Save the change and exit the menu. Test the optimum. Upgrade your support solution is upgrade your hardware. Upgrading your hardware can improve overall performance and may resolve issue with the optimum by providing the necessary resources to run the game smoothly. To do this, review ready or not system requirement, access your PC specifics against the game requirement, upgrade necessary component like CPU, GPU, RAM, and after that, reinstall the game and test the OptiVent. Fifth solution is upgrade graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphic drivers can cause issues with game features like the Optiman. Updating your driver ensure that all game features function correctly as it provides the latest support and bug fix from the hardware manufacturer. To do this, go to your graphics card manufacturer website NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. And after that is locate the drivers or support section. Find the latest driver for your specific graphics card model. Download and install the drivers following the on-screen instruction. Restart your computer and try using Optivan in game again. Sixth solution is remove conflicting modes. Modes can sometimes interfere with game mechanics. If you have modes installed, they could be causing the Optimum to malfunction. Removing these modes may restore the Optimum functionality. To do this, locate the Radeon Node mode directly in the game installation folder. Delete or relocate the mode files from the directory. Restart the game to check if the optimal works correctly or not. And seventh solution is install and reinstall ready or not. If none of the above solution work, the game installation itself might get fault. A press install can ensure that all game components are correctly installed and then there are no registration issue from previous installation. Uninstall the game via right click, ready or not, and then uninstall. Restart your PC, reinstall the game through the Steam install button on the game page. Test the Optimum after installation. Contact ready or not support. If you tried all of the above solution and then Optimant is not still not working, it might be an issue that require developer intervention. Contacting Ready or Not support team can provide you with more tailored assistance. Thank you for watching this video. We will catch you in next video.